Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie, and in today's video we're going to talk about HSK1 Standard Course Lesson 7. And this is the first part of this lesson, so we're going to look at vocabularies today. Now let's look at here. Repeat after me. 书 书 中国菜 中国菜 学校 学校 25号 25号 月 月 看书 看书 Alright, now let's look at the first character, 书 书 means book, yeah, but we need to talk about the collocations of this character. Usually what can we do with 书? We can say 看书 看书 which means to read or to read books. Yeah. So 看书 means reading in general. Yeah, you can just say, for example, 我看书 I read books. But we don't know what kind of books. Yeah, so that's reading in general. Alright. What else can we say? 书 we can also 写书 写书 to write books, right? This character is from lesson 6, yeah, to write 写 so we can 写书 we can 写书 and there is another one 读书读书 读 is also learned by us in lesson 6. 读 means to read, right? But in that lesson, we say 读 means to read something out, right? To read something out. But 读书 could also be to read books, like in general, reading, right? So you don't have to read it out. Yeah, you don't have to read it out. But 读书 has another meaning, which means to study, yeah, as a student. As a student, yeah. So if you're a student and you go to school, go to university, then you can say 我读书 yeah, 我读书 which means you're a student. So here 读书 as to study doesn't mean like study Chinese, right? Because study Chinese is not going to school or to finish the standard education. Yeah, study Chinese could be extra course for you. So you study Chinese not as a normal student, right? So 读书 only means you study as a student, right? And the opposite of 读书 is 上班. Yeah, 上班, which means to work. Yeah. And that's why sometimes people 读书, sometimes people 上班. If you're a student, then you 读书. If you are someone who works, then you 上班. Okay, 上班. 上班 could also be 工作. 工作. 工作 also means to work. So you can say 我工作, which means I work. Or you can also say 我上班, which means I work. There's no difference. Okay, so that's the first character, I think. Yeah, that is 书. The second thing we need to talk about is 学校. Okay, 学校. 学校 means school. Yeah, 学校 means school. So you can say go to school, 去学校. Okay, 去学校, go to school. Yeah. Or 在学校. 在学校 means be at school or be in school. Yeah, to talk about where you are. So remember, 去学校, go to school, only means you're going to your school, the location. It doesn't mean that you go to school as a student because you go to school since you're a student there. No, 去学校 just means go to school as a location. So how to say in Chinese go to school as in you're a student? Of course, you can say 读书, like I mentioned before here. Yeah, then you can tell people you're a student. And of course, you can just say 我是学生. Yeah, 我是学生, which means I'm a student. Yeah, I'm a student. 学生 means student. I will color it into blue one. 学生. So, student. So you can just tell people 我是学生, I'm a student, which means I go to school. Or sometimes, for example, if you're a student and every morning from Monday to Friday you go to school, in that case, you can say 去上学. Okay, 去上学. So it means go to school as you're going to study there. Okay, so here 去上学 doesn't mean you are going to school as a location. It means go to school as a function. Yeah, so the function of going to school is to study there. Yeah, as a function. Yeah. And here I will note it as a location. Okay, location. All right. So please pay attention the difference between 去学校 and 去上学, right? So, for example, if you're a parent, then you can also 去学校 because you go to school as a location. Why are you going there? Maybe you send your children there. Maybe you go there to pick up your children. So, go to school as a location, 去学校. Yeah. But as a parent, you don't say 去上学 because you're not a student. Your children are students there. So your children should say 去上学. Yeah, I'm going to school now. 我去上学. Okay, 我去上学, which means I'm going to study there as a function. All right, so that's 上学. Okay, and then we can also look at 上学. 上学 means have school. Okay, have school. For example, do you have school today? 你今天上学吗? 你今天上学吗? Which means, do you have school today? Or do you go to school today? Yeah, today. Okay. So 今天, I will color it into red. 今天 means today. If you don't know this word, then that's for you. So 你今天上学吗? Are you going to school today? Do you have school today? All right. Or 今天我不上学. So 今天我不上学. I'm not going to school today. Or you can also say I don't have school today. Yeah. Sometimes it happens, right? Maybe you are sick. Then you can say 今天我不上学. 今天我不上学. Okay. So the opposite of 上学 is 放学. Okay. 放学. 放学 means finish school. Finish school. So sometimes sometimes let's say at 8 我上学. Yeah, so at 8 I go to school. At 3 p.m. 我放学. So I finish my school at 3 p.m. So 上学, go to school, start school, have school. 放学, finish school. All right. Okay. But if you don't have school, then you say 不上学. Okay. 不上学, like here. 不上学. I will make it yellow. Okay. 不上学. Here. You don't have school today. All right. So that's this word. 学校. Yeah, 学校. 学校 is a location. Could also be used as a function, but we have different expression, right? Next one. 25号. Okay, so here we just need to talk about this character 号. 号 means day. When talk about date, okay, it doesn't mean 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. No, it just means which day of the month. Okay, so it's quite easy. If you already know Chinese number from 1 to 31, then you can you can express which day of the month. For example, 1st of this month, then that's 1号, right? 1号. Second, 2号, right? Third, 3号, and so on until 31st. That's 31号. Okay, 31号. If you don't know how to express Chinese numbers, you can check my videos in my channel. All right, so that's 号. And another one we need to talk. Another character is 月. 月 means month. Yeah, so it's also very easy to form Chinese month. We don't have different names for different months. We just add 1 in front of month. So first January, that's 1月. Yeah, January. February, 2月. Yeah, February. March, 3月. Yeah, 3月. March. April, 4月. 4月. April. 5月. 5月. That is a May, right? 6月. 6月. June. 7月. 7月. July. Sorry. July. 8月. 8月. That is August. 8月. August. August. Okay. And then we have 9月. 9月. That is September. 10月. 10月. October. 11月. 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 November. 12月. 12月. December. So you can see we just add number 1, number 2, number 3 until number 12 in front of 月 to form the name of different months. Okay, so 1月 January, 2月 February until 12月 December. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is when talking about Chinese, well, let's say this, when talking about time in Chinese, we mention the bigger unit of time first. Okay, so if we have day and a month, then we first say the month and then say the day. Yeah, unlike in English, sometimes we can mention the date first and then the month. No, so in Chinese we always mention the bigger unit first. So let's say if we have year, then we have year first and then month and then day, right? If we have week, yeah, day of the week, and then we have morning, yeah, let's say two time units, day of the week and the morning. So which one is bigger? Of course, the day of the week is bigger, and then morning. So first we mention the day of the week and then morning. Okay, all right. So I don't want to give you so many new words today, so I just tell you 号 and 月 here. There are two units of time in Chinese, the date and the month. Later on, of course, we're going to learn more time units like week and year and each part of the day. Okay, but that's not for today. Okay, so that's so here you can see number 4 is 25号, which is 25th. Okay, 25th, and the 5th character is 月. That's also explained here. Okay, and the last one is 看书, which is also mentioned when we are talking about 书. Okay, so I think that's all for vocabulary part. If you like my video, please give me a like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can also download free PDF of these notes by clicking by clicking the link I shared under this video. So we see each other next time. Bye bye.